So my concept here is the keystone. So I went to school in Philadelphia. Pennsylvania is the Keystone State. And so there's lots of brick buildings, and there's the bricks coming up on either side on a sturdy ground. The keystone doesn't work if the ground is too slippery. And then the last stone in, keystone, and the weight from above actually creates the stability in here. So that's a keystone, and we have keystones in our body that we can use this concept. And then the other concept is the wedge, which looks an awful lot like the keystone. But it's separating and creating weight here. So we can let the wedge in and we create more space, whereas in the keystone we're creating more stability.